So yeah, we just delivered the parcel.
The first parcel.
Yeah, first parcel.
What's your favorite flavor?
Thank you.
Icy pop, I forgot. I'm steady, drunk, connected dots. La-di-da, girl, you got me working round the clock. Can't be stopped.
You plug your hair. You plug your hair.
Oh, you don't know, sorry. So anyways, welcome back to a new vlog. It's Felix and there's Jacob over here. Today will be an interesting vlog, I think. Because we'll be becoming a NinjaVan delivery driver for the day. It's not for the day, it's for one shift actually. So Felix,
Yeah, hi.
do you want to give a description of what we are going to do today?
So we're gonna be delivering parcel for NinjaVan and basically free labor, but it helps us to understand how they work. Yeah, so prepare for the heavy talk.
I call you in the morning if this ain't a dream. I pick you up at 10 and then I'll pay for days. Cause you know I'm
Hi everyone, we're at NinjaVan.
misdirection, sass with aggression. You don't wanna mess with, that's natural selection. You say miss.
Yes, must make the hair. We are currently at Lok Blanga in we are here to collect the GetGo car. It's actually my first time renting a GetGo car, so curious to see how is it like. Anyways, the fares and everything are covered by NinjaVan because we are helping them to do their deliveries. So the ops immersion are usually for all those like newcomers, fresh grads to, like what Wei Tong said, get to know the operations behind the scenes. So now as participants of like Code Dojo, right, we'll be able to, oh that's our car.
Oh, this
We'll be able to gain some insights regarding the operations as well, then maybe help them to improve their system. So I guess this is our car. It's our GetGo car.
Right.
Yeah. So
Oh, it didn't appear there just now, right?
yeah.
Oh!
Oh my god.
Oh! We got it! Finally! Okay.
Yeah, you get the car.
I'll get in the car first.
Yeah, you get Sorry Felix, we are gonna be late, but oh my gosh, this is so cool. Hey, set up for later. Amazing stuff.
So we are arriving back to our pickup area. I think should park around here.
Where can I park,
NinjaVan.
Where do I park?
Let's play my Nintendo, you hear that echo? Don't just diet coke and Mentos. Let's see how high we can go. I play you my demos, you meeting me in the middle. I start the conversation simple with what's your favorite flavor of icy pop? I forgot. I'm steady, drunk, connected dots. La-di-da.
Hi everyone, so now we just finished loading the parcels into the car. And yeah, our main delivery area is at
Orchard!
yes, Orchard, particularly Mandarin Orchard. So now we are at Telok Blangah. We are gonna drive there now. Hopefully we can make like how many deliveries? 18 deliveries?
Yeah, 16.
16 deliveries in 2 hours. So are you okay?
Okay, actually right, we just park at Skip. Then we just
Okay, I trust you. We
trust
park
me,
escape
trust me.
and then
So that's our
we
plan.
deliver to like 5 locations.
And
Okay.
navigator.
We don't gym.
Oh, fucking hot.
We don't car, right?
I mean, we park Skip is cheaper lah. Skip got car park lah.
My phone might drop forward, so
I will try to protect it.
Yeah, we can't split up by the way. You know, right? Cause
what?
Huh?
we have one phone, so we cannot split up the different locations.
Yeah, I know.
Oh yeah.
Driving is so stressful, guys. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, I wasn't supposed to be a driver. Wei Tong was supposed to be the driver, and I was supposed to be vlogging.
I got P plates.
But then, yeah, he still has P plate, so
P
cannot.
plates until May, I think.
Yeah, so he cannot register. And Felix is not confident in driving, and I'm also not confident in sitting in Felix's car. So,
True.
so
I agree
no
to
one
that.
should be. So yeah, so in the end I had to drive.
Okay, so now we are at.
I can park well, but is it the lift? I think that's the lift.
Never mind, doesn't matter. Park well.
Look at this amazing parking.
Yo.
Level 1.
This is why parcels get damaged.
Oh my god, sorry, I just dropped the parcel.
Oh, level 2. Yeah, okay.
Oh yeah, we go up first.
Yeah, we go
So now we are delivering parcels, NinjaVan parcels to people at Orchard, maybe Orchard. So yeah, amazing stuff. So yeah, we just delivered the parcel.
The first parcel.
Yeah, first parcel. Okay, thank you. So we're making our final few deliveries. I think final 3. Yeah, it's very painful. Like, wouldn't do it again. Yeah, we're currently at Orchard Wing, some atas place at like level 33. So
Only commercial
Let's buy a room here next time.
Let's go get first drink.
too much effort. Imagine carrying like 10 plus parcels around Orchard, finding different shops. Okay, so we just finished 12 out of 18 deliveries at Orchard, and honestly, yeah, the time is up already, so we gotta head back, and yeah, we are not able to finish delivering the other 6 parcels. So we're gonna give it back to NinjaVan. And
I would say we try our best now.
yeah, we actually tried our best. We like rushed to different places, but there were too many locations to cover. So yeah, we're gonna head back now, and
You see how it goes.
pretty good
Alright.
experience. Yeah, anyways guys, we made it back safely at the car park. So now, yes,
Congratulations.
0 accidents. So yes, I did it, yes. Oh my gosh, look at that.
How much? Amazing.
Let me end my vlog here. So today we just basically had like the ops immersion, and was pretty insightful. We were able to talk to a few of like the clients and stuff. See you in part 2 again. Bye.
I think it's her eyes, or maybe it's the way that she walk or talk or something. I just can't decide. All I need to know is if you showed up here with somebody tonight. If you didn't, then I'ma try to slide.